Family, what is up? Welcome to another episode of Talking with Tonio. So in today's episode, we're going to be discussing everything affiliate marketing and how you can leverage your YouTube channel to start making money right now.
Oh, Lord, you got money. He got money. Get it all for him.
So even if you're not monetized, you don't have that 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours, you can make money right now with your YouTube channel if you apply these affiliate marketing strategies that I'm gonna give you in this video. So if you're excited, go ahead and thumbs up the video. I would greatly appreciate it. And I do wanna let you guys know, I do offer one-on-one YouTube coaching. So if you watch the video and you're like, man, I would love to work with you, Antonio, I would love to help you. Again, all you have to do is hit the link in the description down below to sign up. But without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, you guys, so first things first, let's talk about what affiliate marketing is in the first place, okay? And the easiest way for me to explain that to you is that you're essentially the middleman or liaison for these big brands or companies, okay? And it's really, really simple. You literally just refer, different products and services to their potential customers. And then once that customer, purchases or signs up, you, as the person that referred them, you make a small commission, okay? And those commissions can range from 50% of the sale, 10%, 30%, it really depends. And then sometimes there is a flat rate for every sign up or every sale that you get. It really depends on the company that you're working with, but that's typically how it works. And why affiliate marketers like myself really like affiliate marketing is because it's a very, very hands-off way to make money. Literally, once I hand off the customer to the brand or business, that's it. I'm out of their business, okay? I don't have to worry about inventory. I don't have to worry about customer service or none of that. My job as the affiliate marketer is just to send traffic and to get people to sign up. But once they're, purchasing all that, I don't have to worry about the headache of dealing with the customer. So it's definitely a very lucrative way to really start making money with your YouTube channel right now. Now, let's talk about how you can actually get started with affiliate marketing.
And I'm so excited.
And some niches will be easier than others, just to be very honest with you, okay? Some niches you may have to get creative or look for things, but all in all, pretty much every niche can utilize affiliate marketing as a really good income driver or just another additional income stream. So for me, since I'm in the YouTube coaching niche, social media, entrepreneurship, stuff like that, there were a lot of softwares and products that I already used and loved that offered affiliate programs. So one of them was TubeBuddy. I talk about TubeBuddy a lot on this channel, right? I love them, their keyword research. So if you have a YouTube channel and you're trying to grow, I definitely recommend TubeBuddy, right? And I recommend that in all of my videos. And then all I say is, hey, I make videos on it, and then boom, tap the link in the description, sign up for TubeBuddy. I also use Canva, right? So when I'm creating posts or my thumbnails for YouTube, all that stuff is all created in Canva. And Canva is another software that has an affiliate program. And then I link that, right? And so there's a lot of softwares and programs and products that you probably already use that offer some type of affiliate program. All you have to do is type it up and search for it, right? And then another thing is that they do have affiliate networks, okay? So I am a part of one affiliate network, which is impact.com. Definitely check them out. They have a lot of brands that you can work with. So I am a part of that network. Another one is ClickBank. A lot of people know about ClickBank that are in the affiliate marketing space. And there are a lot of affiliate networks that you can join. All you have to do is search for them. And they can give you a lot of different companies and brands that you can work with. So once you sign up for these affiliate programs, you really want to think long and hard about your content strategy on YouTube and how you can incorporate your affiliate marketing and affiliate products with your YouTube channel. The good thing about YouTube and why I love YouTube so much is that a video on YouTube's shelf life is very, very long. Especially if you incorporate some affiliate marketing into some of your evergreen content, you could be making money from one video for years and years to come. So making sure that you have a good content strategy in place for your affiliate products can really, really change the game for your income when it comes to YouTube. So what I recommend you do is create dedicated videos for specific affiliate products. So when I make videos here on YouTube, I may talk about, I made a video here that you can check out, how to create high quality mock-ups in 2021 for your clothing brand. Well, in that video, right, I'm talking about placeit.com. And I show you in that video how you're able to, create mock-ups for your clothing brand. And if you get value out of that and you want to use the same thing, you sign up for Placeit. And again, people are going to be searching for that video for forever. People are going to always want to learn how to create mock-ups. So that's an evergreen content piece that is going to be driving me income until YouTube goes away or until, people stop searching for that video. So having a very, very good content strategy in place can really start driving a considerable amount of income into your YouTube channel right now.
Okay.
Now, one thing that I do want to say to you guys is that you always want to have integrity when creating this content. The worst thing that you can do is start signing up for all these affiliate programs and products that you really don't love, that you really don't use, that are crappy, and get people to buy them, and now people no longer trust you, okay? Do not get so money hungry that you just recommend anything under the sun, because eventually people will start to see that you're just recommending stuff to make money, and then they will no longer purchase or sign up for the things that you recommend. So trust and integrity is so, so important, you guys, when it comes to affiliate marketing. And once it's ruined, it's gonna be very, very hard to get that trust back. So please take heed to what I'm saying. Like, if you're going to refer products that you actually use and love. And then also refer products that you're not sponsored by or an affiliate of, because that also builds trust, okay? Because if you're only referring products that you're getting paid for, most of the time people can see through that and they feel like, oh, you're only referring this product because you're getting paid. And you don't want to do that to your audience. So be very strategic about the type of products that you do refer to people, and just be honest and open, okay? Integrity is so important when it comes to affiliate marketing. Now, if you have any questions about affiliate marketing, make sure that you comment them down below. I'll try to answer every single comment that you guys have. And if you like the video, again, thumbs it up and check out some of my content over here. Until next time, be easy.